See, it's raining. It's raining out here too. But if it ain't raining, we ain't training. I got my hand grips while I'm running. I grip, you know, run, I grip. But if it ain't raining, we ain't training. You got that? All you need is dedication and motivation. Dedication comes from the heart. Motivation comes from the mind. You got a strong mind, strong heart. That's all you need to survive. To be successful, to do what you want to do. You got that? Dedication, motivation. And if it ain't raining, we ain't training. Now you scream, "Answer." Scream for your life and say, "Answer." You got that?